Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to hide Instagram reminders notification content on your lock screen. If you value your privacy and don't want others to see the details of your Instagram reminders popping up when your phone is locked, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your notifications and privacy settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device, allowing you to manage their behavior individually. Next, look for Instagram in the list of apps and tap on it. This will take you to Instagram's specific settings, where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see various notification categories related to Instagram, including messages, likes, comments, and reminders. Find the Reminders option under the Instagram Notifications section and tap on it. This is the key to controlling how reminder notifications appear on your device. After entering the Reminders notification settings, look for the Lock Screen option. Tap on it to reveal choices about how notifications are displayed when your phone is locked. Finally, select Hide Content. This setting ensures that when a reminder notification from Instagram arrives, the content won't be visible on your lock screen. Instead, you'll see a generic notification alert without any sensitive details. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully hidden the content of Instagram reminders on your lock screen, enhancing your privacy without missing out on important alerts. Remember, these settings can be adjusted anytime, so feel free to revisit them if you want to change how notifications behave in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private Instagram experience.